Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone down and pulling the SIM tray. This prevents shorting and accidental inputs. Once done, use a hair dryer or heat pad to warm the screen edges so the adhesive softens, which makes lifting safer. Next, remove the two bottom screws and apply a suction cup near the lower edge. You want a small gap to insert a pick. Work one side gradually. Maintain even pressure so the frame and glass don't bend or crack. With the display slightly lifted, hinge it up from the top edge and prop it so cables aren't strained. You must protect the fragile connectors. Once opened, disconnect the battery connector first to eliminate power flow. This reduces the risk of damage when handling delicate parts. Then remove any metal brackets and unscrew shielding plates to access the display, camera, and sensor cables. Keep screws organized by location. After disconnecting all cables, gently separate the broken display assembly from the chassis and set it aside. Transfer the front-facing camera, sensor assembly, and earpiece from the old panel to the replacement. These components ensure Face ID and proximity work correctly. Once swapped, align and reconnect the display, digitizer, and sensor connectors, then reconnect the battery so you can test functionality before sealing. Power on to confirm touch, display, and cameras. If all is good, apply fresh adhesive, press the display into the frame evenly, and reinstall the bottom screws. If touch or display issues appear, reseat connectors and restart. The connector is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.